What if some creatures from ancient myths were never myths at all? For thousands of years, people told stories about monsters, giants, and strange beasts hiding in the wild. Most scientists believed these were just imagination. But today, discoveries suggest something surprising. And in this video, we'll explore mythical creatures that may have real evidence behind them. And the last one might be the strangest of all. 1. The dragon. Dragons appear in myths all over the world. In Europe, they were giant, fire-breathing monsters. In China, they were powerful sky serpents controlling storms. For centuries, people believed these stories were pure fantasy. But some scientists think dragon legends may have started with real dinosaur fossils. Ancient people sometimes found massive bones buried underground. They had no idea what dinosaurs were, so they imagined giant monsters. But here's where it gets weird. In the Middle Ages, explorers reported seeing giant flying reptiles in remote mountains. Could some animals have survived longer than we think? 2. The Kraken. Sailors once feared a monster that lived deep beneath the ocean. They called it the Kraken. According to legends, it was so large it could pull entire ships underwater. For a long time, scientists dismissed these stories as exaggeration. But in the 1800s, they discovered something shocking: the giant squid. Some grow over 40 feet long and live in the deepest parts of the ocean. And in 2012, researchers captured the first real video of a giant squid in the wild. Maybe sailors weren't imagining things after all. 3. Bigfoot. For decades, people in North America have reported seeing a mysterious creature in the forests. They call it Bigfoot. Witnesses describe a tall, hairy figure walking on 2 legs. Even Native American legends describe a giant forest being. Many scientists believed these stories were misidentified animals. But new footprints, strange sounds, and blurry footage appear almost every year. Here's where it gets strange. Some scientists think Bigfoot legends may come from an extinct giant ape called Gigantopithecus. It lived in Asia thousands of years ago and could reach 10 feet tall. Could stories of ancient apes survive in human memory? 4. The sea serpent. For centuries, sailors reported seeing enormous snake-like creatures in the ocean. They called them sea serpents. Some were longer than entire ships. Scientists thought they were just whales or floating logs. But strange discoveries keep appearing. In 1938, fishermen in South Africa caught a strange fish, the coelacanth. Scientists thought it had been extinct for 65 million years. Yet it was still alive, hidden in the deep. If one ancient species survived, what else could still be out there? 5. The Thunderbird. Native American legends tell of a creature called the Thunderbird, a giant bird so powerful its wings could create thunder. Many believed it was only a myth. But in the late 1800s, newspapers reported sightings of massive flying birds with wingspans larger than any known eagle. Some scientists think these sightings connect to ancient flying reptiles, pterosaurs. Most disappeared millions of years ago. But here's the strange part. Some pterosaurs had wingspans over 30 feet wide. And occasionally, people still claim to see something that large flying overhead. So, were these creatures really myths? Or were ancient people describing animals they didn't understand? history has already shown us something surprising. Creatures once thought to be legends sometimes turn out to be real. And if that has happened before, the question is simple. What mythical creature might be discovered next?